All right, I wanted to mention one thing. You guys may have noticed that as I was pairing and breeding my birds, introducing them, showing the pedigrees and everything, I have a handful of birds from all over the place. Lots of different lofts and bloodlines. I didn't do that on purpose, but I kind of am doing it on purpose in a way that what I'm trying to do is find a bloodline and find some families that actually work in my system, in my loft, the way I breed, the way I pair. And if I can find some success with any one of those families, once I find that success, I'm gonna kind of focus in and narrow my focus on that particular family. I'll start bringing in birds that support that family, birds of the same family, and we'll start eliminating the ones that don't work in my loft. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here. I have a lot of different families. Once we find some success, I'm going to start to narrow that down a lot. For me, the way I see things, once you have a successful family, it seems like it would be a waste of time and energy to just start diversifying and continue to bring in random families. I would think that once you find success, you bring in specific birds that have been successful with that group. Birds of the same family. And that way you're kind of concentrating on what you know is successful. If you start bringing in random birds from all over the place, different lofts, different blood, you might get lucky and you might have something really successful. But you might not. The chances of you not finding something successful is pretty high. The genetic diversity out there is really high, and why mess up something that you're already having success with? So that's kind of my thoughts on why I have so many different bloodlines of birds. I'm kind of focusing in on mostly four different families of birds. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the last 3 videos of me introducing my pairs to each other, where I introduce and go over what birds I've got in the loft, and you'll see the different families that I've got. So go check that one out. And when I find something that clicks, that's where I'm going to spend all my energy. I'm going to focus on those and hopefully build something. So anyway, long-winded explanation of why I have so many different families at this point. But it won't always be that way. Once I find success, it's going to get narrowed down to those guys. So, all right, let me know if you have any comments or questions on that. Make sure you subscribe and like. Catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.